Simplifying the square root, we are starting new video of Sad X. We are starting number 15, root 18. So this square root, we know a product like root AB, we can write root A times root B. Similar, this is 18, this one we can write 9 times 2, so root 9 times root 2, that means root 9 means 3 and here is root 2. This is our answer. Next one, root 24. So this one also we will make like this. So first here is a root 24, we can write 4 times 6, but why not 12 times 2? This one also we can write, but why 4 times 6? Because this 4 is a perfect square. So once we make a square root, we can write like root 4 times root 6. Then root 4 means 2 and here is root 6. This is our answer. Okay. Number 17. This video we are going to solve lots of math. 17 root 80. This one we can write like root 16 times 5. 16 is a perfect square. So we can write root 16 times root 5. So root 16 means 4 and here is root 5. This is our answer. Very simple. Now number 18 we can write in here. Root 75. So this one we can write root 25 times 3 or root 3. So root 25 means 5 and this is root 3. This is our answer. Number 19, root 5 times root 6. So what can we do? So this one we can write like, look, root A times root B, we can write root AB. Similar, this one we can write root 5 times 6. It means root 30 is our answer. Okay. Number 20. Here is root 3 times root 8. So what can we do? This one we can write first root 24, right? Now this one we can make segregate like root 4 times root 6. Okay, so root 4 means 2 and root 6 is our answer. So till we are complete 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Up to 20 we already complete. So this video we will try to solve some more. Number 21. Here is 7 root 30 times 2 root 6. So we have to make this one carefully. How? Look, this 7 times 2 is a 14 and this root 30 and root 6 we can write root 180, right? And then look, 14 times this 180 we can write root 36 and root 5. 36 times 5 is a 180. So here is 14 times root 36 means 6 and here is root 5. So now this 14 times 6 is a 84 and here is root 5. This is our answer. Okay, so number 21 done. Now number 22. Here is 2 root 3 times 5 root 27. Similar, 2 times 3 is a 10, right? And then this root 3 and root 27 we can write root 81. Okay, now look, This 81 means what? Root 81, it means 9. So 10 times 9 equals to 90. This is our answer. So 21, 22 done. Now 23. Here is root 40 a to the power 4. Now look, root 40, what can we do? Root 40 we can write 4 times 10, and this root a to the power 4 we are making separate. So root 4 means 2, and here is a root 10, right? Times a to the power 4. Once we make square root, we will get a square. So what is our answer? Our answer is 2a square root 10. Okay, so this is our answer. Number 24. Here is root 50 times m cube times n to the power 5. All are inside square root. Now look, one by one we try to solve this one. This is root 50. Here is root m cube. Here is root n to the power 5. Now look, this root 50 we can write what? 25 times 2 root. This m cube we can write m times m square, right? Times this n to the power 5 we can write n times n to the power 4. Okay, now look, root 25 it means 5, and here is root 2. Similar, root m square means m, and here is root m, times n to the power 4 means n square, root n to the power 4 means n square, and here is root n. Now m n square we can write 5 m n square, then root 2 m n. So all our things is our answer. So answer is 5 m n square root 2 m n. So 24 done. Now 25. 147, then x to the power 6, then 7 to the power y root. Okay, now look, this one we can write similar thing. How? Look, here is 147. This one we can make 147 square root times root x to the power 6 times root, is it okay? Here is y to the power 7. Sorry, we should write here y to the power 7. Y to the power 7. Okay, so y to the power 7 we make separate. Now this 147 we can write 49 times 3 square root, and this x to the power 6, once we make square root, first we can write x to the power 4 x square square root, or directly we can write x to the power 6, once we make square root we get x cube, right? And this one y to the power 7, once we make a square root, look, x to the power 6 times x is a x to the power 7. So once we make a square root, this x to the power 6 become x cube, and this one is root x. Similar, this one is y cube root y, right? Now what is the answer? Root 49 it means 7, and here is root 3, here is x cube, here is y cube, and here is a root y. So finally we can write what? We can write 7 x cube y cube square root x cube, sorry, 3y, right? This 3 and y, 3y. This is our answer. If you have any confusion, please write a line in the comment section. I will make or I will remake. Okay, so number 25 done. Now we try to solve number 27. So this one no need, we can omit this one, right? Now here we can solve 26. Here is 72 x cube y to the power 4 z to the power 5 whole root. So this 72 we can write 36 times 2 square root, right? Then this is x cube, we can write x square times x square root. This y to the power 4, once we make square root, we can write in here y to the power 4, and then root z to the power 4 times z. Now look, this square root 36, we can write 6, and here is root 2 times root x square, it means x, and here is root x, times y to the power 4. Once we make square root, we will get y square. Then z to the power 4, we can make square root, so z square and root z. So what is our final answer? Our answer is, here is 6, here is x, here is y square, and here is z square. It means 6x y square z square root 2xz. Okay, so we can write answer in here, which is 6x y square z square root 2xz. This is our answer. So no more today. This video I am trying to solve lots of square root problem. These kinds of radical expression is very important in our examination life, also present life. We need to know about square root. So please subscribe my channel SubX. By this channel you will get lots of things, especially 9 and 10, any kinds of competitive examination. So also please share with your friends, that person also can get lots of things from this channel. Thank you.